Hello guys, I'll be sharing with you one of my powerful strategy. If you are an indicator lover, I will recommend this strategy for you if you like using indicator. Actually, I don't trade with indicators anymore. I don't trade with indicators, but so far this has been one of my best strategies so far that could help you without stress riding a trend. Like, you're gonna have to ride a trend and make the best out of it. So I won't like to waste our time. Let me just dive into the strategy directly and show you guys how it works. So guys, this strategy can make you a lot. It can make you a lot, and it does not require much stop loss. So at least you can make a minimum of 1 to 3 risk reward, 1 to 5 risk reward. So all you have to do is we are making use of two indicators, the one on the main charts, then the one on the indicator window one. So on the main charts, you guys have to set your indicator. You go to indicators. I believe you guys know how to set indicator, right? So you are not a newbie. Go to indicators, then moving average. You set the moving average, the period, to 44. Then method linear weighted, apply to close. Then on the indicator window 2, you set the stochastic indicator or stochastic oscillators. The period will be 300, the K period 300, the D period 150, then the slowing 3. Method linear weighted. So you can just copy this screen and set. Then the second indicator on the indicator window 1 is the moving average. You set the moving average, the period to 21. The method smoothed. You apply to apply to previous indicators data. Then the last one is the RSI. The RSI is just for you to see the levels, the overbought and the oversold levels. So you just apply your RSI. You can copy the settings here. It's just for you to note the overbought and oversold region. So then make sure the style it is set to your background so that if it's visible, it's going to disrupt it, showing the RSI and also showing the stochastic. So make sure you set the RSI to the color of your background. All you need is the stochastic. Okay, now after setting the indicators, now let's get to business, guys. All you need to look for where the stochastic is trending at either the overbought or the oversold. Let me come again. Look for where the stochastic is trending at either the overbought or oversold. Now take a look at this here. You will see the stochastic is trending at the overbought here. So all you wait for is you are trying to wait for a breakout of that stochastic. a breakout, then it retested the moving average, the yellow moving average here. Can you see a breakout here? So after the breakout, you wait for a retest to the moving average and also a retest on the main window, also a retest. So what we do is wait for a candle rejection at this retest here. This is also the retest here. So wait for a rejection candle, any rejection candle you see, then you enter your trade. So from the rejection candle here, you enter your trade and see all you get it. You follow the trend all down to another to the other oversold. Can you see all you are going to get? So you can, the minimum risk reward you get from this trade is 1 to 3. You can get as more as 1 to 3, 1 to 5, 1 to 7. So don't forget the rules, guys. You just wait for overbought, oversold, then you wait for breakout of the overbought and oversold, retesting the moving average, also retesting on the main chart, retesting the moving average. Now let's look at another one where the stochastic is trending. Let's see here. Can you see the stochastic here is at the overbought here? Now let's wait for a breakout. See this breakout, see the breakout here, and look at the retest here, look at the rejection candle here. So you could have entered here, could have entered the trade here and do what? You hit all down. You hit all down. So the strategy is very simple, guys. It's very simple and it's very effective. It is very effective. Look at here, guys. Look at, it is trending at the overbought. Then what happened? A breakout, retesting the stochastic and also retesting the linear weighted moving average on the main screen, on the main chart. Now after a rejection candle, then you hit all down. Can you see? Hit all down to the oversold. So the strategy is very effective, guys. You make a lot from it. It is very effective. See here, can you see? It is very effective. So if you don't get the settings, just pause and watch the settings very well, backtest, and make a lot from it. And you see, guys, it is everywhere, guys. It is everywhere. It is everywhere. So one thing I would like to tell you guys again is you don't just trade based on you are having a strategy that is working and you over risk. You have to follow the normal risk management. That's what I always preach to my students and all. You have to follow your risk management. Make sure you are taking nothing less than 1 of 3. So even though you are losing, you still have to recover with the winning trades. So guys, that's all. So you can follow for more strategies, and also I will drop a link in the description. You follow the link to join my Telegram channel. There I post signals, I post setups, so you got to learn a lot of things. Make sure you join the Telegram channel and make sure you follow this YouTube channel to learn more videos and more educational content to make money from synthetic indices. Alright, see you guys later.